In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and utilize a ChatGPT or AI writing add-on in Google Docs. Whether you're a student crafting an essay, a professional battling writer's block, or just someone looking to enhance your writing with some AI assistance, this guide will walk you through every step. Let's dive in. First, we need to get started by opening Google Docs. Head over to docs.google.com and sign in with your Google account. If you're already logged in, it should take you directly to the dashboard where all your documents are located. This step is essential because we'll be working within the Google Docs environment throughout this process. Next, we're going to access the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is the place where you can find all sorts of add-ons to extend the functionality of Google Docs. Look towards the top of your Google Docs window. You'll find a menu item labeled Extensions. Click on it. A small drop-down menu will appear. Select Add-ons and then click on Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a new window or tab, setting the stage for the next part of our journey. Now, in the Google Workspace Marketplace, we're searching for a ChatGPT or AI writing add-on. In the search bar, simply type ChatGPT or AI Writer. You'll see a list of various add-ons that integrate GPT AI. It's important to browse these results carefully and select a trusted add-on, such as ChatGPT Writer or AI Doc Writer. Once you've found an add-on that suits your needs, click on it to open the details page. Read through any information provided to ensure it aligns with your expectations. Once satisfied, click Install. You'll be prompted to grant certain permissions. Just follow the on-screen instructions until the installation is completed. This process is quite straightforward. Finally, you're ready to use the ChatGPT add-on in Google Docs. After the installation is complete, head back to the Extensions menu. Click on Add-ons again, and you should see your newly installed ChatGPT add-on listed there. Select it to open. A sidebar or a pop-up window will appear on your screen, ready for interaction. In this space, you can type your prompts or questions. The AI will generate text based on your input right inside your Google Doc. You can easily access, adjust, and work with this text, making the AI's assistance a natural extension of your writing process. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to enhance your Google Docs experience with the ChatGPT or AI Writer add-on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your writing tasks a bit easier and more efficient. Happy writing!